Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to use Face ID to install apps from App Store on any iPhone. Now, if you want to use Face ID to install apps from the App Store, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, you will find the option of Face ID and passcode. Just tap on it, and from here, just enter your lock screen passcode. Now, to use Face ID to install apps, just enable this toggle. But if you have not set up Face ID on your iPhone, first of all, just tap on Set up Face ID and set up Face ID on your iPhone. After you do that, just enable iTunes and App Store from here. And once you enable this toggle, it will ask you to enter the passcode of the Apple ID on your iPhone. After you enter the passcode of the Apple ID, you will successfully enable Face ID to install apps on your App Store. Just like that. And this is how you can use Face ID to install apps from App Store on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.